Tutorial how to put on blush with only using lip tint. Let's get started. You can add 2 layers if you want. I'm adding 2 layers because earlier I already put some and this is how I look like. But you need to wash your hands after. Okay, let's get started. Put some lip tint here. It's really dark, so because I added 2 layers. Put these. This is how it looks like when you blend it. Put some lines here. This is how it looks like after. And the final steps. Results. One last step. Beautiful.